Guys, welcome back to another Dharma's reading. So, this very important message from the spirits of nature. This card fell out of the deck while I was shuffling the cards. So, this is a very important card. Know where you are going to, know what your intentions are, and also what you are planning to do with your journey. So it's very important to have basically no confusion, even though Earth might not be your home, but there are many, many people that are actually looking for your help. And know that it's incredibly important to remove everything that are blocking you from going forward.